Hello ladies and gentlemen, it is the Wonder Kid here. A warm welcome to this video guys. In today's video I'm going to be talking about one of the most important questions that you should be considering to incorporate into your trade plan / trade checklist, okay? And I believe that this is very important, especially if you're using indicators, because it helps to answer when your high probability setups are coming and when to sit on your hands, be patient and wait for the right market conditions, okay? And the question is this: what phase of the market are we in? Okay, now guys, you can break this down in all sorts of different manners. You can have 5-6 answers to this. For me, I personally have 4. So we're either in ranging conditions, trending conditions, impulsive conditions, or corrective conditions. Okay, now if you guys want to see me do a video breaking these 4 down in particular with pure Japanese candlesticks, then guys, write a message down in the comment section below and I'll be happy to do a video. But for those of you that have watched my backtesting videos, you would have actually seen that I do talk about this quite a lot. And the reason why it is so important is because it tells you when to sit on your hands, and it also tells you when to be fully alert to see if there are any trade opportunities, right? Now, when you are doing indicator-based strategies, this is one of the issues that you have with indicators. For example, if you have a moving average crossover strategy and you're a trend trader, once the moving average crossover has happened, then of course you'll be looking for buys or sells and you'll be looking to take advantage of the new trend. But of course, in range-bound conditions, you can also have instances where moving averages are crossing over, which completely fit your plan and tell you to enter, but of course it's not very profitable, and you will be finding you're gaining a lot of losses during that time. So, you do have to understand what kind of phase of the market you are in. Now, to understand this, for me, like I always say, is best to do this with no indicators. I know even if you do have a strategy that is incorporating with indicators and is not too visually intrusive, so for example, a moving average crossover is fine, you can have it on whilst you do this, but essentially minimize all the kind of chaos you will have on your charts, keep the chart as clean as possible, and start drawing on the chart the typical movements that the pair likes to exhibit. I guarantee you, for example, I trade 5 pairs. 3 out of the pairs have very different movements to 2 of the pairs, okay? And what I'm referring to this is Euro pairs do move differently to Aussie pairs, but they do have similarities. But again, that kind of differences tell me when I'll be looking for a position that is either high probability or not, okay? So again, this video is just letting you guys out there know that you must understand, number 1, what phase of the market are you in, okay? And this will help you to identify what is high probability or not. And at least at the very beginning, it will be the foundational question to help you answer that question of what is high probability or not, okay, guys? So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I think this is a fantastic video because not only does it let you know one of the most important questions that is on my trade plan, but if you are designing your trade plan and checklist and you don't have this question and you are finding yourself taking on too many losses or feeling like your strategy is not really coming into fruition versus what the backtesting results were saying, then do consider having this question in your trade plan. It is very important, and this is what I talk about when I say patience produces percentages, because it will tell you when to sit on your hands and be patient versus when to be very active, when to keep your eyes open and look for setups, okay? Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you want to tell me what is your first question on your trade plan / trade checklist, then feel free to let me know down in the comment section below. I'll be happy to hear what is your trade plan and trade checklist first question. It is very important, and we can have discussion around it if you like. But for now, guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't checked out my content, please feel free to check out my channel and enjoy it. I've done many videos on FTMO challenges, verifications, accounts. I've also done backtesting videos, how I like to look at the market. But if you guys are also interested in my strategy, then feel free to hit the strategy link down in the description below. You can check out the strategy that I trade with. But for now, guys, have a fantastic trading week. Remember that your trade plan and trade checklist is very important. Keep backtesting to help you find that confidence within your trade plan and trade checklist to help you to continuously grow as a trader and be here for the long term, okay? So guys, have a fantastic trading week ahead. Take care and peace.